Hi, welcome to Viral Skill 247. My name is Henry Waters, and if this is your first time of watching my video, please do so by hitting that red subscription button so that when I release new video, you'll be the first to see it. Okay, in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you the introduction to PHP programming language. So stick with me to the end of this video if you want to learn a new thing. Okay, today I'll begin by telling you what is PHP, what is a PHP file, and what can PHP do, and why you would want to use PHP. Okay, PHP is a server scripting language and a powerful tool for making interactive and dynamic web pages. Okay, and the acronym for PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP is a widely used open source scripting language, and the scripts are executed on the server. It is free to download and also use. Then PHP file. When it comes to PHP file, it can contain text, it can contain HTML, it can contain CSS, JavaScript, and also PHP code. PHP have an extension file name of .php, as you can see over here. The file we are making use of is index.php. The extension name is .php. Okay, when it comes to what you can do with PHP can be used to generate dynamic page content. It can also create, open, read, write, delete, and also close files on the server. PHP can collect form data. PHP can send and receive cookies. PHP can add, delete, modify data in your database. And also PHP can be used to control user access on your web pages. Okay, you can also encrypt data as well. When it comes to why you would want to make use of PHP, is that PHP runs on various platforms, just like Windows, as what I'm using, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, and etc. PHP is also compatible with almost all servers used today, just like Apache and Information Internet Service (IIS). Okay, PHP also supports a wide range of databases, and just like MariaDB, MySQL, and maybe many more. This is one of the major reasons why you would want to learn PHP and also make use of PHP language in your web contents. Alright, we have come to the end of PHP introduction for today. If you learned something new, please like the video. And also in my next video, I'll be teaching you PHP syntax, comments, and also PHP variables. Just stick with me and watch my next video. Okay, and if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please do so by hitting that red subscription button so that when I release next video, you'll be the first to see it. I will see you next time. Bye bye.